All right, let me introduce you to one of my favorite camping gadgets this year. I stumbled across this fan. Now, when you're in an RV, you always need a fan, no matter what. It's gonna push the cool air, and the awesome thing about this fan right here is that it is completely cordless. And if you have like multiple fans running, you're gonna put a big draw on that electricity. And so you don't wanna have the AC and a bunch of fans going if you're struggling on those hot summer days. This also comes over the remote, so check this out. I'm gonna turn it on and it is quiet. I'm gonna show you, I'm putting it right up to my microphone, and that is extremely quiet. Now that is on level 1. I'm gonna crank it all the way up to level 4. It is still quiet. But not only is it quiet, but it also has a sleep mode where you can just turn it on and it'll go even quieter, and you can still have it running while you're sleeping and it won't wake you up. Isn't that cool? It also has a timer, so you can set it, hey, I want it to run for 1 to 7 hours. It has a kind of like a breeze where it'll kind of push it gently out. But again, the coolest thing about this fan is that it's cordless. And it does much more than what a lot of those corded fans do out there at full breeze or at full power. It also, if you need it to, it'll charge your phone too. So that's always a plus. It has a hook right here, so you can hook that up if you're in a camping ground. You can hook this up to a tent and the head will rotate almost 365. So enough to where you could get that, but you probably don't need it rotating all the way around. You just turn the fan around if you need that. But let's go see how my daughter thinks about it. We're gonna crank it all the way up to 4. Again, this is half, you can't even hear it, but it feels so good. I mean, it's awesome. Let's see what she thinks about it.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't it though? It's so cool. You could keep it, you could actually keep it in here. No, you're not, I'm not gonna give it to you. You can't have it, but you can put it, attach it somewhere. I was just looking. Look, you could attach it right here if you wanted to. Can you feel that? Maybe
Can we keep it
right there.
here?
Can you feel that?
Can we keep it in here?
Can you feel it? All right, I'll show you. Can you feel that, Tay? How's it feel? Giving you a little more air in here?
Yeah, I feel like I want to keep it in here.
It feels like you own it now. Oh, that's the problem with me buying stuff. I just give it to her. That's all good. Again, this is one of my favorite camping gadgets. I don't know if I call it a gadget, but I've never had a portable fan that pushes this much cold air around in an RV. You're always gonna want a fan. Actually, I'm gonna give this one 2 thumbs up for sure, just because of all the things it does and how much air it pushes, and it doesn't draw on your electrical equipment. So again, this is one of my favorite things of the year so far.